BricsCAD's unique, single DWG-based design environment brings together general design tools, as well as specific capabilities for building BIM and mechanical models all in one place. They allow you to design your manufactured products within the context of the building in which they'll be sited, whether it's building components such as doors or windows, external facades, or equipment sited within the building itself. With BricsCAD, you can easily use the building as a point of reference when creating your parts and assemblies. With this type of top-down development, BricsCAD's unique, flexible approach to 3D modeling and intelligent AI-powered tools that can supercharge your design workflows, you can be sure that the final result will be accurate and fit for purpose. Manufacturing drawings will be precise, and there will be less risk of issues on site due to products that just don't fit.